Hello guys, Noah here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a reset command. A reset command is basically a command you do by typing in reset, and then when you press enter it resets your character. So you don't even have to go press ESC and press the reset button to reset your character. You can say reset in the command bar. So let's go ahead and how you're going to do this is you are going to insert a script into the script service, and this will be called the reset command. Whoops. Reset. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to say game.Players.PlayerAdded, put on connect, open bracket, function, then close brackets, and then you're going to say plr, which means player for short. Then going to say plr.CharacterAdded, put on connect, function, char, which means character, but for short. Then we're gonna say plr.Chatted, put on connect, function, and then we're gonna type message into here. Now this is the part where the player has to say the thing. Okay. If message equals to reset, you can make it without the exclamation mark. You can make it with a codon, you can make it with a semicolon. I'm just gonna make it with an exclamation mark. If message equals to reset, then if message equals to reset, then char.Humanoid, codon TakeDamage 100, which is all of the health they have probably right now. Now let's click play, and let's see if it works. Oh, I'm supposed to do it caps. Okay, now when I say reset, it resets my character. But let's see if we have a problem. Let's say if we say tacos, it still does not reset our character. The only thing for you to reset your character by typing in something is exclamation mark, capital R, ESET. Reset. Exclamation mark, reset. Alright, so that's the whole video. I hope you enjoyed that, and leave a like.